Hello everyone, welcome to Nail Art channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you light brushed nails art design step by step guide. Bright pastel colors peek out of the black abstract design in the light brushed nail art. Let's move to step by step guide. If you love and if you want to make your nails like bright light brush nail art design, so you should have to follow my step by step guide. Number one step is start by painting the top half of your nails with a light pink nail polish. Use the pink nail polish because our design is belongs to light pink brushed nail art design. Paint the bottom half of your nails with a pale yellow nail polish. When you complete step number 1, let's move to step number 2. Add more layers of the light pink and pale yellow nail polish to fade the two colors into each other. Step number 3. Using a nail art brush and black nail polish, create a fan shape out to black lines. The lines can stem from any corner of your nails. Let's talk about step number 4. Thicken the ends of the black lines with more layers of nail polishes. Step number 5. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, ladies and girls, your design is ready. If you like my design and video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you have any query about this design, please let me know about that. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye.